With Suvie Kitchen Robot, I just made a delicious full meal for my family of four in only 1 minute. Yes, you heard that right, just 1 minute. Suvie is a game-changing solution to make dinner easier, faster, and more convenient than ever. Here's how it works. I start by picking my meals on the Suvie app, which has a great variety of options to choose from, and they're delivered right to my door. For tonight's dinner, I'm making a delicious green goddess salmon with brown rice and green beans. The best part? The ingredients come pre-measured and pre-portioned, so there's no need for any extra prep. I simply load them into the Suvie Kitchen Robot, I place the salmon on top, then the brown rice and green beans on the bottom. Suvie's system is designed to be super easy to use. Just tap the meal card on Suvie and that's it. You can even set it to cook now or later, which means I can take my time and relax until my Suvie meal is ready. Suvie's advanced cooking technology ensures that everything is perfectly cooked and the results are always spot on. In just 1 minute, dinner is served hot, fresh, and ready to enjoy. Suvie's on sale right now. Shop their biggest sale ever.